Amplenote tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Amplenote, a powerful note-taking and task management app that combines notes, to-do lists, and calendar scheduling all in one place. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking for a better way to organize your thoughts, this tutorial will make it super easy for you to get started with Amplenote. The first thing you want to do once on Amplenote.com, you're going to tap right where you see enter your email, and you're going to enter your email address, then tap on start your free trial. After you have done that, from there you'll be able to create a password. Once you have created your password, you will be redirected to this page, and this is your Amplenote dashboard. Once on your Amplenote dashboard, you'll mainly need to pay attention to the left-hand column. And by the way, this option that you see that is called Daily Jots, this is basically an option that will allow you to quickly jot down any notes that you have. So you can write down any notes right here, any brainstorming you have quite quickly, as this is designed for a fast and distraction-free note taking. So you can simply type in any notes that you like to add right there. To do this, you can simply tap right here. So you could clear the particular date. So you could delete this if you want by simply tapping right here. Then after doing that, you could remove the image by tapping on the three dots. Then you could select delete image. And from there, you can start jot down your daily thoughts. And talking about that, if it is a case that you would like to create a note, you can go over to the top right hand corner, tap on new note. And from here, you could type in your first note. So you can give the note a title. Then you'll also see the option to add a tag. And you could add a tag. And by adding a tag, you'll be able to better organize your thoughts or better yet your notes. So you can add a tag that is descriptive to the note that you have taken or written down. So you can add your tag right there, and you can write down your thoughts or your notes right here. And you will also be able to add links, you can add attachments, and so much more using this platform. And you can also use this platform to create backlinks. So let's say, for example, you have written a note about a book or so on, and then later on you get more notes that is related to that particular topic. You will be able to not only use the tag to group it together, but you can also use backlinks. And if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, these are some sample thoughts that you will receive once you sign up with Amplenote, but you can quickly delete them. And to add your own thoughts is quite straightforward. You will go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on the calendar. After you have tapped on the calendar, from there you can select the date or time that you would like to add your task. Then you can go over to the right-hand column and you can see right there, you could select the date. Then after doing that, you can select whether you would like it to be repeat, any time, or so on. You can select the different options right there. You can also select the duration. Then from there, you could type in the task. So let's say, for example, test, and you'll just tap on add. After you have added it to your calendar, if I were to go back and let's say I were to tap on task, you can see it right here. Now that I've created it, if I would like to add anything more to it, I can start typing out more information. If it is a case that I would like to add a link, I can add a link. If you would like to add an image, you can tap on the image icon and you could add an image. You can also strike through it. You can also bold it or italic it, as you can see right there. There are numerous options that you can choose from. And once you have completed the task, you can simply tap on the box to tick it. Another thing that you can also do, you can use this calendar for scheduling also. So you could select the calendar and you can schedule different stuff that you would like to do. And you can also set it up for reoccurring, just like what I showed you earlier. So for example, if you have something that you would like to schedule for, let's say tomorrow, you can select the date, then you can also select the time. And from there, you could go over to the bottom right-hand corner and you can type in what you would like to do. Then after doing that, you can select the time right there, the exact time. After setting the exact time, you can set whether you like it to be reoccurring or not. And that's basically it when it comes onto Amplenote. Thus far, from my personal experience, it is beginner friendly and easy to use, but I do feel like it does have a learning curve. But that comes with most options. I tend to realize nowadays. So once you are interested in Amplenote, you can play around with it, but I would not say it is the easiest calendar option as what they say are the best note-taking option for beginners. I would not give it that ratings, as I've come across other note-taking apps that are a lot more straightforward and easier to use. But thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if it is a case that you would like to customize your Amplenote, they also provide that option by tapping on the link, or better yet, by tapping on your profile icon in the top left hand corner. You could tap on Find Plugins, and from there you will get access to different plugins that you can use to customize it, as you can see right there. And if we were to go back, there are also other options that you'll find by tapping on your profile icon. You could change it to light mode if you want, and you'll also be able to share your Amplenote. So you could tap on Share Amplenote, and then from there you'll be provided with a link that you can share. As you can see right here, you'll be able to invite users, and if it is the case that you like to share a note that you have taken, you can do that. So you could select the notes right here, and let's say for example I would like to share this note. I would select the note, then I would tap on the three dots right here. After you have tapped on the three dots, from there you have a few options. You can either choose to publish the note, or you can add collaborators, as you can see right there. I could also tap on more options, and you can see different options. You could choose to duplicate the note, or you can see different options right here. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.